Welcome to another video from Technik. Today we're going to be showing you how to remove your parking sensor button from the centre dashboard here. This is for the Audi A6, S6 and RS6. This is for the C5, Saloon and Avant models. So let's get stuck in. So to remove any of these three switches or panels we have in this line here, you actually need to remove the decorative trim that sits in front of them beforehand. If you're unsure how to do that, we've actually already produced a video for you on how to do it, and we'll add a link for that in the information section. So if you scroll down below this video, check the information section and there'll be a link on how to remove that decorative trim if you're unsure how to do it. So take a quick look at that video and come back when you're at this stage and we can focus on getting these removed. So to remove this parking sensor button, now we've got the decorative trim out of the way, it's actually quite easy to do. All we want to do is pinch it from the top and the bottom using your fingers and just slide the whole thing forward like so. As you can see, all that holds it in is these little kind of spring compression clips on either side. You see the electrical connections start to come into view there, so just pull that gently forward, give it a twist, and we can see we've got this electrical connection. Just on here we've got a little tab. Push that tab down, pull the unit forward, and that is the parking sensor button completely removed and ready to go.